Anyway, me step my
Chargie gon' step.
Come my Chargie stepping with the AR.
Boom.
Big long Glock in my pocket, come and not take trick. Come my dogs, they not take off.
Come. Boom! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, aka your favorite Caribbean YouTuber, aka your favorite YouTuber overall. You understand me? The most lit reaction channel on YouTube right now. You see me, I say, one day to 10,000 subscribers. If you never shit already, by the time I post a video, can't come in advance. You understand me? I try to comment on this video to see your comment to the next video that I post, and we post every single day, 2 to 3 to 45 times for the day. Now we are run go over Barbados, you know, people. We are say so. You saying about I run over Barbados people have a song when them called by Chargie. The song them Chargie by LR people. You understand me? Somebody from Barbados running on my DM on Instagram and say, yo, see you next one here. You see me? So I go set some run come over back by YouTube and say so. See you next one here too. Because I post every day. Now this is my second video for today. How much time someone post today? Yeah, people like the video so the video can get ranked to more people. And if you're not already subscribed to the Reaction Boss channel, please consider subscribing to our channel if you are new for the most lit videos them on YouTube. Youth. Everything we post lit. Nothing no flap over here, so. You understand me? I try to say, run tune! Hashtag run tune, soon go up on a shirt. Merch drop at 10,000 subscribers. Alright? I film by Innovative Media.
Go on, bro, gun.
What kind of handshake that? Man, I feel up, man, and I'm beating. Post the money back in piece a while ago.
No, how you go step front today, no, brother.
Lone Realers, Realness. What's his name? LR. Lone Realness, Chargie. Big up yourself.
Sija. Real way. Lone
Baby!
Lone.
Well, I them see woman. You know, say what I see woman, you know, tight. Dog, outside the brass. Where they be there?
Yeah, it's a top. No straight top, you know.
You know it's alright, go on.
Them real dogs, them, man.
Instrumental, people, instrumental. You will live like in Narcos. Read Molanjos. Amigos. Rest up, Kaylan, rest up. Right, tune.
In a dog with no color, no. My dogs, them, with my Chargie. Anyway, me step my
Chargie gon' step.
Come my Chargie stepping with the AR.
Boom.
Big long Glock in my pocket, come and not take trick. Come my dogs, they not take off.
Come.
Anyway, me step my dogs, they going stick. Come my dogs, them stepping with them AR.
Alright, it's catchy, you understand? Me rate it, dog. Me not like.
I'm a dogs, they not take off.
Alright.
Man with the street code, we no fear police. Judge you know me no fear them.
Well, I don't hear them when I say, the man say no fear no Babylon boy. Babylon boy, what I gotta do when I see them man master chop in a beer chain on him neck? What I gotta do? What you run through not even say 40, go on Rasta.
When we make my turns, always 10 feet ahead above that.
Them deaf.
To stage out to perform, I'm a shoot.
Let them know.
Me 200 9 back pocket.
I mean.
50 with a green laser beam.
Talk to them, dog.
Not the housing scheme.
Deaf, we can't put them Rasta man here. Asha, and see them man right now that them man outside for the guys. Watcha, be a chicken test out the door. Little girl, look there. The man them full of chest. The man them full of chest, all titty them man have phone, little girl. I'm telling you, hey, you see if a girl and love some titty, see the man them there. Little girl, watch there. Be a chicken chest with the chain them around them neck. Bad man them out of Barbados, little girl. Go look at them man there. Rate up man in show him know you like that. Run tune.
After riding for you and for I.
Nothing but trouble.
Where do real niggas go, they don't die.
Boom.
Don't ask me how I know. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, we step
my Chargie gon' step, come.
My Chargie
stepping with it, alright.
Big long Glock in my pocket, come and not take trick. Come my dogs, they not take.
You hear that, dog? You know, the man that carry him Glock. When you hear the broker that carry him Glock in him pocket. What you know about that? Bumbuckler, run tune.
Anyway, me
step my Chargie gon' step.
Come my dogs, them
stepping with that AR.
45 Glock in my pocket for you break them neck. I'm my dogs, they not take.
Them deaf.
With the AR, AR.
Make them know. Make them know about the AR and Rasta. Watch out, be a fire flame touch in the video. Be a fire and be a son of the video. Right? When you think about it, think Barbados are ramp with the chap youth. Until they ramp with the chap over Barbados. Watch it, dog.
Stepping with the
AR.
Stepping with the AR.
Be a good figure, because you know say crowd of bad people, eh?
When youngsters rise up, Uzi and Mac.
Yeah.
And one time I said they now come back.
Yeah.
You know me straight, this off from my man in me name.
Yeah.
House with me installing.
Bumbuckler, only hear lyrics. You know why you lyrics again? Or not listen to the one lyric? Go back in that song and listen to the man I say. Run through.
Me name calling, you know. House with me installing, you know. How when me hustling, the rain they falling, and the farmer did up bring me fretting and a crawling.
Then jump and say,
blessings to the beard and the chocolate. So I send them positive doctrine.
Anyway we,
you know me a step.
Anyway we. Alright, Bob Buckley, coming down here, particular people. The merch I drop at 10,000 subscribers. You understand me? I say. So we're up and subscribe on the channel, man. Your reaction says a lot. It's saying. And right now, I'm rushing. I say 10,000 because I don't see my hype man for saying. I want to say, Rachon! Big long Glock in my pocket, coming out. Yeah. Come doors, then I take off. Anyway, me step my Chargie, go and step, come and shine and stepping with that AR, with a head shine. 5 Glock in my pocket for your break them neck. I'm a dog, then man, I sweat. With the AR. Stepping with the AR. Stepping with the AR. You know what about best man I come from, dog, in Jamaica? Stepping with the AR. With the AR. You know, you do a train that music with this. I'm here going to see that the video, dog. That's how with the AR there. You see, you know, you do a train that video, this dog, I be a AR, you see that video. And you do a bumbuckle belt guy in that video, no. Grenade that video, for saying, no. I be a blood kit last year, I go see that video. Be a cutlass, be a blade. Be a chopper, run tune. Stepping with the AR. My Chargie going step, come and Chargie. Stepping with the AR. Bumper, grandpa outside. You know what I mean? The man them outside, no shirt when I wear. What do you feel like? Stepping with the AR. 45 Glock in my pocket for your and one girl, see that video? Hold on there. I really want pum in that video. Hold on there. Give a quick rundown. Run. I want pum in that video for real, you know? I come back on the last part. The same pum pum I see in the video all along in the dog. One pum pum we see in the dog. Go on do it. Take trick, come my dogs, then I take off. Anyway, me step my Chargie, go and step out. Stepping with the AR. Them neck, I'm my dogs, then I take off. With the AR. Stepping with the AR. Stepping with the AR. Williams. Mash it down you to death. People big up on yourself from Motor Bumbuckle Barbados. And it's been a boy, Tyrekevlogs, the reaction boss. As I say, subscribe to my channel for the most reaction videos on YouTube and the most entertaining. Anything I post later over here, so you understand me? So the subscribe to the channel and keep the vibes. I go straight to 100k right now, dog. Straight to 100,000 subscribers. I go fuck. I want a plaque, you know. We need a YouTube plaque right now, you know. Straight up 100k, my run go. See me, yeah? I'm gonna ramp with it. Straight up 100k. I'm out.